Now, taking a look at this week's forecast, hopefully people spent the day outside yesterday because today isn't looking too great, right, Kristin?
Yeah, it's starting off to be a very soggy Sunday, and it's only going to get a little colder and windier this afternoon. So yesterday, hopefully you got a chance to enjoy the outdoors. Today, not a great start to your Sunday. But we're looking at temperatures that are still holding in the 50s and 60s. Right now, the focus is on the colors on the radar, though. We had the heaviest rain really already pushed through the area for this first wave. It's just now heading up toward northern Indiana and up into Armstrong and Jefferson counties, but we're getting a little brighter sky to the southwest. A little closer look here, you see just to the northeast of the turnpike really is the dividing line. Tanning over to Punxsutawney, getting a pretty heavy area of rain there, headed just down on the edge of Indiana, and then down into portions of Allegheny County. It tapers off a bit. Greensburg getting the last little bit of that steady rain, and then it becomes more scattered as you head into Washington and Greene counties and areas to the south and west. So that's the warm sector of the storm system, and you can see we're at 60 degrees in Connellsville. Upper 50s in Washington, Waynesburg, Morgantown. We're in the lower 50s to the north of Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh itself, we're looking at still some rainy conditions, but we're starting to dry out a bit downtown for the moment, and for a few minutes, we're looking at 55 degrees for the current temperature. We're on our way in most areas to the lower to mid 60s, but that's it by lunchtime. Then we'll start to watch the temperatures fall. The cold front trailing is going to touch off the chance for a couple of thunderstorms. We're just on the very northern edge of the severe weather outlook in our southeastern counties. Focus for severe weather later today will be down over southeastern Virginia. We already saw a little bit of thunderstorm activity. You might have heard a rumble of thunder. Those of you down into portions of Fayette, Monongalia counties, down toward the Uniontown area around 4 a.m., we had a few lightning strikes, but you can see the back edge of this moisture out over northwest Ohio. That's the cold front, and as it plows into this warm, moist area, we will have the chance for a couple of isolated thunderstorms starting around 11 a.m. to noon. Here you see by around 9-10 a.m., we get a little bit of that moisture starting to push in from the west. Again, by 5 o'clock, the rain is done. We may see some snow showers develop north of Pittsburgh. Those of you in northern Lawrence, Butler, Armstrong counties, over into the Laurels and Ridges, you could see a little coating of snow in spots by tomorrow morning, the highest elevations, because temperatures will be down near freezing for most of tonight and tomorrow morning. We're back to sunshine later tomorrow, those seasonable highs in the lower 50s. But we've been so far above normal the past week or so, 50s will feel rather cool. Then Tuesday, sunshine. Wednesday, a chance for some rain, and boy, the temperature goes up and down this week. We start off with 64 early this afternoon. The temperature tumbles behind the front, showers, a few isolated thunderstorms possible, winds gusting up to 29 miles per hour, and the temperature tumbles to the 30s tonight. Tomorrow, sunny, 53. Tuesday, we're back up to 70. Wednesday, 57 with rain. And then Thursday, look at this, a 20-degree temperature drop to the 30s for the highs. But then we're back up to 44 for Friday, 57 Saturday. Look, right now, Easter looks like we'll see about 60 degrees, but it looks like a nice weekend for the Easter holiday.